Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. The West Indies' inability to pick up wickets against Australia continued on day 2 of the second test in Adelaide as the hosts closed on 330 for 4 after electing to bat. The Windies handed debuts to Jamaica's Marquina Minley and Devon Thomas, while Anderson Phillip replaced Kemar Roach in the 11 from the opening test defeat. However, Minley was only able to bowl 2 overs due to a hamstring injury, and the Aussie batsman had another run feast. Marnus Labuschagne stroked his 3rd consecutive century of the series and 10th overall to be 120 not out, and with him at the close, Travis Head, who notched his 5th test century, 114 not out, to share in an unbroken 199-run 4th wicket partnership at the end of day 1. The Australians had slipped to 131 for 3 when Steve Smith fell for a duck to Jason Holder, and David Warner 21 and Usman Khawaja 62 are the other batters dismissed. Along with Holder, Alzarri Joseph and Devon Thomas are the wicket takers. The Aussies, well, they will retain the Frank Worrell Trophy after their 164-run win in the opening test, the taken unbeatable 1-0 lead in the 2-test series. Meanwhile, Jamaican fast bowler Marquina Minley, who was handed his test debut today, was only able to bowl 2 overs on the opening day due to injury. The 27-year-old replaced Jaden Seals, who is suffering from a knee problem, but after 3 no balls, Minley left the Adelaide Oval, and coach Phil Simmons provided this update.
He might be a little strain in the hamstring, but I think he's going for a scan this evening, and then we'll find out for sure. I thought there was more risk of him struggling this evening, as in, you know, you bowled 15 overs in the day and you start getting tired and the cramps come and things like that. I thought more at that time there might be a thing, but there's recovery in the evening, so I didn't think it would happen after two overs.
Some football news now. Jamaican-born English winger Raheem Sterling is to return to Qatar before Saturday's World Cup quarter-final against France. The 28-year-old flew back to England on Sunday following a break-in at his family home in Surrey. Sterling's spokesperson said he left the England camp to prioritize the well-being of his 3 young children. Sterling missed England's 3-0 win over Senegal in the last 16, but is expected to rejoin the squad on Friday. The Chelsea player, who has 81 international caps, scored for England in a 6-2 win against Iran in their opening game at the tournament. And that's the final. So that is it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shamela, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.